Like this show and want to make your own? Let me tell you about Anchor. It's free. There's creation tools that allow you to record and edit your podcast right from your phone or computer. Now you can even add any song from Spotify directly to your episode. The possibilities are endless for what you can create, whether it's music analysis, your own radio show, or something the world's never heard before. Anchor will distribute your podcast for you so it can be heard on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and many more. You can make money from your podcast with no minimum listenership. It's everything you need to make a podcast in one place. Download the free app or go to anchor.fm to get started. Hello, you're listening to Got Clutter, Get Organized, a podcast that focuses on helping you create space to attract more money, love, and happiness in your life. I am your host, Janet M. Taylor, and I want to say hello if you're a regular listener, and welcome if you're listening for the very first time. I hope you are having a great week. And if you enjoy listening to this podcast, please leave a review so I can continue bringing you episodes each and every week. In this episode, I will be kicking off the month with holiday time management and organizing tips as we count down to holiday season 2021. I will also be sharing my product suggestion, app suggestion, repurpose suggestion, and my book suggestion for this week. And my question for you this week is, what would you like to get organized this month? Is it the pantry, the coat closet, maybe a bedroom? Please share. And, of course, did you know that Black Friday stats in 2020 Thanksgiving weekend, which is Turkey Day through Cyber Monday, drew 186, okay, I've got to read this number, 186.4 million U.S. shoppers. That is down from 2019 by 1.7%, where there was only 189.6 million U.S. shoppers. See, I got tongue-tied because that's a lot of people shopping, a lot of people buying stuff, and a lot of people bringing stuff into their home and their life, which is why in November, I am excited because the guests I have are going to drop some wisdom nuggets, and I would suggest you get pen, paper, tablet, whatever you use just to take some notes, because we have someone who is going to be talking about our space and how we can not only make it a more relaxing home for ourselves, but if you are inviting guests, how to make it more inviting and less cluttered. Also, how each and every one of us can do our part in reducing food waste, because you know the holidays are about a lot of food, which we buy, we consume, but are we also wasting it as well? So those are some things to take into consideration. Wonderful guests. Then also for those of you who are pet owners, how to have a more organized home during the holiday season and throughout the year with your pet. And of course, planning, how planning is key to really, having that organized life, not feeling stressed, not feeling overwhelmed. So I am so excited about the guests that are coming in the month of November. So before I kick off with a few tips on holiday organizing and time management, I just wanted to share with you a few of the days in November, the days of the year. The first day of November is World Vegan Day, for those of you who are vegans. November 3rd is Stress Awareness Day. November 7th is Zero Tasking Day. November 12th is Chicken Soup for the Soul Day. November 15th is Clean Out Your Refrigerator Day, which leads up to the Thanksgiving holiday. November 24th is Celebrate Your Unique Talent. When you get rid of the clutter, you manage your time. You can just focus on your unique talent. And November 29th is one of my favorite days, is World Chocolate Day. I love chocolate. Truly love chocolate. I'll never forget one year I told everybody I love chocolate. and it was around my birthday. So that's all I got. I got chocolate candies and this and that and the other. So that was the last year I said it. I like chocolate, but that was a little overboard. People made chocolate, bought chocolate. Oh, it was wonderful. So let me start off with some holiday time management tips. Start by thinking about what the holiday means to you and what type of fun you want to have. Once you do that, prioritize the activities that meet this criterion. Maybe it's skating, maybe it's caroling, maybe it's making cookies, maybe it's volunteering. As the invitations roll in, don't forget to check the schedule around the event. Do you have something before or after the event that you need to plan for, like a business meeting, a project deadline that could delay you from arriving on time, or an early morning meeting the day after the party? Remember to add in margin. It isn't just the activities you need to account for, but the preparation as well as the recovery. We've all been to an event where we may have eaten just a little bit too much, stayed up a little too late. And be sure to think about this as you fill in your holiday schedule. When it comes to balancing the must-dos with the want-to-dos, take a look at your schedule on a regular basis to figure out when you can fit the time in for grocery shopping, laundry, house cleaning, etc. And if you can afford it, figure out a way to work in your holiday budget, and you may need to just hire some help just for the holidays. And remember, delegating tasks may also contribute to lower stress and more enjoyment during your holiday season. So now let me talk about some tips on how to just get organized in your home. Some holiday home organizing as you decorate. Toss and donate ornaments and decorations you no longer are using. Organize your entrances, your coat closet, have a shoe rack. Stack up on essentials like hand sanitizers and paper products. Toss catalogs from last year and toss and recycle catalogs and circulars from stores you don't shop and get off mailing lists. Plan your decorating time, your cooking time, your prep time, and your rest time. I'm going to read the last tip again. Plan your decorating time, cooking time, prep time, and rest time. So, have you been working on getting organized and feel that you need someone to guide you from start to finish by providing you with details needed to clear the clutter and get organized? Let's talk so I can share how you can get back on track and get organized with my virtual sessions. Go to my contact page and schedule a free 15-minute session. And we offer a variety of virtual coaching plans to meet your needs. And maybe you are feeling a little overwhelmed, like you can't manage work, your business, and your life. Let me help you. I work with clients so they can manage their time and get things done without feeling stressed and burned out. Create a life so you can have time to do all that you want to do without feeling overwhelmed. Click a link in this show page. So, of course, I want to take a moment to thank you so much. Oh, you just mean so much to me. I love your emails. I love your messages. I love your posts on social media. Thank you so much. It truly brightens my day. It really does. You just don't know. And I love all your kind words. So thank you for following me on social media, for your likes, your retweets, and your sharing. Please continue to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and of course, Instagram and Pinterest. And on Pinterest, check out the Holiday Organizing Board. And of course, make sure you like my YouTube channel and subscribe. And ladies, if you're thinking of getting your life organized, don't get overwhelmed. Join the Facebook group, Living Life Totally Organized. It's a community of women supporting each other on their journey to live a life that is totally organized. It is free. It's on Facebook. Women are supporting each other. Some women like, okay, Janet, I'm doing the kitchen today. This is the before. Then this is the after. Sometimes people go to shredding events. They pop open the trunk. Janet, this is what I'm getting rid of today. They encourage each other. Someone posts some pictures of what they organized. People encourage each other. Some women post pictures of how they organize things, their own little hack, trick, or trade. So, and of course, starting this month, I'm going to be on a Q&A every single month. So that's where I come on Facebook Live within the group and I answer any questions for them. So check it out. So, do you know what time it is? I'm hearing you chant. It is Toss It Tuesday, and I would like for you this Toss It Tuesday to tackle a junk drawer. Maybe tackle the junk drawer that's got the tape and the scissors and the pens, and so that when you need that stuff during the holiday season, you can grab it really quick. My app suggestion for this week is Pandora, because we're getting into the holiday season, so why not enjoy the seasonal music? As you're decorating, as you're cooking, as you're organizing. I would love for you to go to my Amazon shop and check out the shoe racks. The shoe racks, you can put them, you can place them by the front door. And of course, there's also, drawer organizers. There's so much on my Amazon shop. So check it out. And, and I also have one special area for gifts. So if you're looking for a specific gift for somebody who gets organized, of course, you can always purchase a virtual session for them, but you can also actually give them a little organizing gift for $20 and under. So check that out. And of course, check out my repurpose page as well. And my book selection for this week is the Christmas Project Planner, Super Simple Tips to Organize the Holidays. Again, the Christmas Project Planner, Super Simple Steps to Organize the Holidays. And my quote for this week: November is the month that reminds us to be thankful for the many positive things happening in our life. Well, I want to thank you for listening, and be sure to share this podcast with your family, your friends, and on your social media. And some of you have been doing it, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And again, let me know you've been enjoying listening to this podcast by leaving a review. And be sure to visit the website at www.janetmtaylor.com. So until next time, I want you to have a clutter-free day, but most of all, have an organized week. Organization is a quintessential element of a clutter-free life. Join me as we take this journey together. Along the way, we will find the necessary answers to your organizing dilemmas. My name is Janet M. Taylor, and you are listening to Got Clutter, Get Organized.